Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to easily search on your machine for documents or anything on your machine. Normally when you want to search for something, you have to go to your PC and search it from here. So when you're searching it from here, let's say for example I'm looking for the thumbnail that I just created for the video I posted. I saved it as Chrome cache. Now I have to wait for it to load, and this usually takes a long time. So today I'm gonna try and show you an easy way of doing this. So you're gonna go to your browser, link in the description, voidtools.com. It's probably we're gonna finish doing this before this even finds it. So gonna go here, gonna download the installer. Once you download the installer and you have installed it, it's not a large file, it's a very small file, 1.7 MB. Gonna install it, gonna run, and once you have installed it, it's gonna look like this. So when you come here, I'm gonna show you how to easily use it, because when you first install it, it comes like this. So I'm gonna show you how to easily tweak it to be able to be efficient. So you're gonna come to view and click on filters. The filters is what will enable you to easily search for something. I'm sure this hasn't finished yet. Oh, it has finished. See, that has taken a lot of time. So you're gonna come here. For example, if I'm searching for that thumbnail, I saved it as Chrome cache. So I know it's a picture, so I'm gonna change that, then search for Chrome cache, and here it is. It is so fast. It is so fast when searching for this stuff. Let's say for example now I want to search for a document I wrote about prisons, dying in American prison. So we're gonna come here and change to document, and here I have it, dying in American prisons. Same if I want to search for a folder is called screenshots everything. You can also change to folders only. So it becomes so much easier and more efficient when you're searching for something. And there's also tools, options you can tweak here. For example, if you want history turned on, like for example if you usually search for something, you can just enable history and keep the time that should be there. For example, if I always search for screenshots, it's gonna show down here anytime I type, and then it can autocomplete. Then it tells you all these things that you can tweak. But if you don't know what you're doing, just turn history on and just leave everything as it is. It works well just as it is. So that's an easy way for searching on your machines. And we have all this. Everything is audio, compressed, document, executable, folder, picture, and video. So most of the file types that actually it's all the file types that you could have, you can search for them here. Yeah, and that's how you search for anything or everything on your machine. Like, comment, subscribe if this was helpful, and share with a friend.